So we're done, apart from the painting. I'm just going around putting some wood preserver on, 2 coats of that. I'm trying to get 1 coat on before tonight's out, just in case there's any damp. Nearly there. The front is the last wall to do, and that's mostly glass, so, and somebody's interested. Should we go and have a look inside, Alf? Yep. He's really quite interested inside, aren't you, Alf? So we got these double doors on the inside, which you can see here, and then these 2 are also, at the moment they're locked, but these 2 are also doors that open up and fold back. So we got the whole lot at the front opens up. Inside, what I wanted was just 1 window to that side, so there's only 1 part of the day that the sun comes around here, and I do need some wall space here. Yeah. Oh, what's out there, Alf? That's Alfie's window from now on. So that looks out over the compost heap, which is good, isn't it? At the moment. Oh, and the chocolate biscuits. And the old Victorian greenhouse towards the North Downs. Yeah. What's out there, Alf? Who's out there? Where are they gone? And so this leaves all of that wall for tools and a bench, and then same on that side. This wall here has got 2 light windows up the top which don't open, and they're just to give me southern light in the afternoon and the evening, which has worked really well. And that will be just wall-to-wall shelving, as will both sides of, I think, of this door. Now this door is temporary, while the workshop is a temporary workshop. Let's back off a little bit. While it's a temporary workshop, before it gets relocated up onto the final location, that will be a door leading nowhere. At the moment it's extra ventilation on warm days, which I don't anticipate, but it's all double glazed, so that's really good, and that leads out onto a load of junk which will be demolished. So that's all just rubbish, and that opens up out there. So I've got 2 walls and a bit. This whole wall here will be planes on shelving, as will, as I say, the whole of that wall. I have got an absolute ton of leftovers. These are extra spares, offcuts, holes where they've had to cut the wall out for the extra door, and so on and so forth. So we've got logs, we've got roofing timbers, we've got flooring timbers, we've got trim, we've got everything. I could almost build a workbench out of that. But yeah, that's I really like that. And this is where Alfie probably will sit, looking out on the outside garden over here. I think that looks like it's going to be his favourite place. We're going to put a little cushion on the floor, and he can lie down in the sunshine in the morning. Give us an incentive to get up AF. So that's it. The guys did a superb job of the installation, which was totally free, because it's on special offer this month. So I'm really pleased. Anybody in England wants to get themselves a log cabin, then I highly recommend this company. It's got much thicker walls. These are 44mm walls instead of 28, which you get with most of the cheap ones. It will have insulation, superfoil insulation, eventually, but that will come later. I'll probably put that in just before the winter. So the existing workshop right at the top here, that one will be demolished. A new 5 by 4 meter cabin will be put at the top on the existing machine workshop. All that will be moved into the garage, like CNC, lathes, band saws, table saws, etc. So all the power tools will be up there, and then this will be dismantled and relocated where the patio is there on steel girders, which will hang out over the edge, and it will give me much higher elevation for this building, so I can look out the existing view that I've got. And this will become the media center. So I'm not going to do too many modifications to this until I've relocated it. Anyway, long day. It's now 5 in the afternoon, but they arrived at 8 o'clock, so we're talking about a good 10 hours, and 9 hours, 10 hours, and excellent job, excellent job. When this is demolished, this will then become a patio. So I've managed to get away with putting all these buildings. We've got temporary building, the workshop, the observatory, and the dome. So running out of space, but it'll all come back again as a garden next year. So that's the start. We're off and we're running with the working museum media centre, and hopefully this will be finished this time next year.